First question, potassium dichromate is an example of. The correct answer is crystalline solids. Second question, asphalt is an example for. The answer is amorphous solids. Third question, the coordination number of phase-centered cubic is. The answer is 12. Next question, if the number of cations increases, the coordination number, the answer is also increases. Superconductivity was discovered by. The answer is Kamerlingh Onnes. Next question, to increase the solubility of carbon dioxide in soft drinks and soda, the bottles are sealed under. The answer is high pressure and low temperature. Next question, pervaporization is the process of separating. The answer is azeotropic mixture. Next question, what is the value of Van Hoff factor for a dilute solution of sodium sulfate in water? The correct answer is 3. Sugar is a good example of. The correct answer is non-electrolyte. The decomposition of hydrogen peroxide is an example of. The answer is exothermic reaction. The space between proton and electron in a hydrogen atom is. The correct answer is absolutely empty. The standard electrode potential of lithium is. The answer is minus 3.04 volt. The standard EMF of a galvanic cell involving 3 moles of electron is 0.59 volt. The equilibrium constant for the reaction is. The answer is 10 raised to 30. The potential of a hydrogen electrode at pH equal to 10 is. The correct answer is minus 0.59 volt. The metal which gives cathodic protection to iron is. The correct answer is zinc. Sodium lauryl sulfate is an example of. The correct answer is anionic detergent. Valium is a. The answer is tranquilizer drug. The hydrolysis of sucrose in the presence of dilute hydrochloric acid is an example of. The answer is homogeneous catalysis. In Langmuir's model of adsorption of a gas on a solid surface, the mass of the gas striking a given area of the surface is proportional to pressure of the gas. Next question. According to Coleridge's law, the conductivity of ions at infinite dilution does not depend upon. The answer is nature of ions. Next question. Haber-Bosch process is an example of. The answer is heterogeneous catalysis. The gas which readily gets adsorbed on the activated charcoal is sulfur dioxide. The element pair with the same magnetic moment is. The answer is chromium and iron in +2 oxidation state. The transition metal which reduces steam to evolve hydrogen is. The correct answer is iron. Mercury fluoride is soluble in. The answer is ethanol. The complex compounds which result from the coordination of carbon monoxide are known as carbonyls. Dimethyl glyoxime represent a. The correct answer is chelating ligand. The IUPAC name of the coordination compound is pentaamine bromocobalt 3 sulfate. The isomer of diethyl ether is. The answer is given here. What is the full form of IUPAC? International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Isomers have essentially identical. The answer is molecular formula. The isomerism exhibited by lactic acid is optical isomerism. Examples of chain isomers are propanol and methyl ethanoate. Halogenation of alkenes is an oxidative process. Chlorobenzene is prepared by which process? The answer is Rasching process. Ethylene reacts with Bayer's reagent to produce. The answer is ethylene glycol. Ethylene oxide is also called oxyran. Benzaldehyde and acetone can be distinguished using. The answer is Tollens reagent. Compound formed on oxidation of ethyl benzoate by potassium permanganate is. The answer is benzoic acid. The mixture of benzaldehyde and formaldehyde on heating with aqueous NaOH solution gives. The answer is benzyl alcohol and sodium formate. Effect in which equal number of cations and anions are missing from the lattice is called Schottky defect. What is the order for the reaction in which gas is formed on the surface of tungsten? Answer is zero order reaction. In an ionic compound with Frenkel defect, the coordination number are low. A compound which doesn't show any metal deficiency defect is NaCl. In metal excess defect, the lattice sites occupied by extra electrons are known as F centers. The energy of activation of a reactant is reduced by increased temperature. Collision theory is applicable to bimolecular reactions. Insulin is a protein. Denaturation is irreversible precipitation of proteins. Amino acids are non-volatile crystalline compounds. The metal that cannot be obtained by electrolysis of aqueous solution from the salt, aluminum and magnesium. When reverse bias exceeds certain value, it's called Zener breakdown. Starch paper is used to test the presence of iodine. When a zinc piece is kept in copper sulfate solution, the copper gets precipitated since the standard electrode potential of zinc is less than that of copper. The standard electrode potential of lithium is minus 0.34 volt. The metal which doesn't react with copper sulfate solution is silver. The theoretical maximum efficiency of hydrogen oxygen cell is 83%. An example of highly corrosive salt is mercury chloride. Next question. Corrosion is basically electrochemical reaction. Next question. If the rate of the reaction is 0, the order of the reaction is? The answer is also 0. Next question. If the adsorbate is held on the surface by weak van der Waals forces, then it is called? The answer is physical adsorption. The adsorber used to decolorize sugar is wood charcoal or animal charcoal. A solid acts as an adsorbent because it has unsaturated valencies. The isotherm which states that the amount of gas adsorbed at a very high pressure reaches a constant limiting value is Langmuir adsorption isotherm. An example of lyophilic sol is starch dispersed in hot water. The effect observed in colloidal solution is Tyndall effect. Difference between colloids and crystalloids is particle size. The process of converting a freshly prepared precipitate into colloidal form by addition of suitable electrolyte is called peptization. Briggs arc method cannot be used to prepare colloidal solution of iron. A compound which can form a sweeter ion is amino acids, example glycine. The process of removing HCl from ferric hydroxide sol is dialysis. During electrophoresis of a colloidal solution, the colloidal particles move towards cathode. The process not suitable for purification of colloidal solution is filtration. Soap solution is an example of associated colloid. Protection power of a lyophobic sol is expressed in terms of Gold number. Hydraulic washing works on the principle of difference in gravity of the particles of gangue and ore. Reason for drug-induced poison is binding of allosteric sites of the enzyme. The formula for copper pyrites is CuFeS2. The process used in the metallurgy of silver is cupellation. Purification process of converting a metal into volatile stable compound is Van Arkel method. The compound formed on oxidation of ethyl benzene by potassium permanganate is benzoic acid. The best method used to obtain ultra pure metal is sound refining. Blister copper is refined using Pauling method. Nickel is prepared using Mons process. Producer gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide, hydrogen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. The molecular formula of metaphosphoric acid is HPO3. Mineral used for isolation of radium is pitchblende. The valency of inert gas is 0. Argon gas was discovered by Sir William Ramsay. The noble gas which forms maximum number of compounds is xenon. Nuclear fusion process produces helium. Noble gas not found in atmosphere is radon.